Hi, we are at the Christmas tree lot at Scottsdale Farm. We are going to pick out our Christmas tree. This is one of my favorite places in Atlanta to pick out a Christmas tree because they bring them in from the Carolinas and they have real gorgeous Christmas trees of different varieties. So you don't have to just pick from one variety. And then they have flocked trees. I cannot wait to show you what the flocked trees look like because they're real trees that are flocked. So cool.
They don't call it the Enchanted Tree Forest for nothing. They bring in the Fraser firs, noble firs, and Norman firs, ranging from 2 feet all the way up to towering giants, and they are so beautiful.
Holy cow, it's expensive.
So we found a really awesome Christmas tree.
But it's
$424. It's a little much. But you know, they're really nice Christmas trees. We're looking for half that, if not more than half that. All right, so we're walking through the lot. What did my little guy find? Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. There's like all sorts of photo ops here too at Scottsdale Farm. It's so cute. It's a nursery and farm. They've got chickens and pigs for the animals. Look at how cute this is. Cute spot for pictures. I love it. I love coming here, right in Milton, Georgia.
Head into the barn after you've shopped for a treat, pick up a holiday latte from the cafe which serves breakfast and lunch, and then browse the most beautiful holiday decor you've ever seen.
Right, so inside Scottsdale Farm, inside the barn, is the most magical winter wonderland Christmas store ever. Anything you want, whether it's rustic, alpine, country Christmas, they've got it all here. All of the Christmas decor you could possibly want. And the cool thing is when you're shopping for your Christmas tree, they have something they call Daisy Dollars, and you earn a certain amount of Daisy Dollars from your Christmas purchase, and you can come back either in the new year when everything's on sale or in July. There's 2 different dates on these coupons, and you can get everything half off on your next purchase, which is really neat. It's how they clear out their sale Christmas stuff. But look at how magical the barn is. I already found things that I want. I can't come here and not want.
Head into the greenhouse to find all of the flocked real Christmas trees. They range from 2 feet on up, and you'll see pink, blue. Look at the UGA Christmas tree, and this is where we found our Christmas tree for this year. Yes, they're magical because they're flocked, but they're also real, so they're not fake. Walk around, peruse, and they're flocking them on a regular basis, so they're fresh and they're pet and kid safe. So let's check out the price of this one. This one was like $3.69. We did not buy this one for 7 to 8 feet, but we did find one that was in our price range, and we love it. Scottsdale also makes custom wreaths and garland made fresh. You pick the design, you pick the ribbon, and they will tell you the price. They are gorgeous. After you're done shopping, head on to the playground area where kids can burn off some steam, and it's an actual working farm too. So they have goats. Check out these goats, they're so cute. And then my favorite is Paulo, their guard dog, who protects them from the coyotes at night. There's also koi fish, a pig, and chickens. You can actually buy the chicken eggs. Scottsdale is an experience. Check out the link below and more information at savvymamalifestyle.com.